Alright, today we wanted to see like how to remove the speculators and the shadows. So we have several methods how we can do it. For this demonstration, I used my own mobile because I didn't want to use the DSLR. The challenge I wanted to face it like with the mobile, how we can do it, because every time we won't be fortunate to carry our DSLR camera or mirrorless cameras to spot it something. So though we have a mobile in our hand, we can shoot something differently and we want to remove the lights. In my case, in my first test, what I thought is when I found some leaf, suddenly I wanted to take a picture of this. But I saw, though we have avoided a lot of speculators from the area where it's bouncing off, but still the mobile has a tendency to capture the speculators little too much. But in my case, yes, I can assure you, we cannot get rid of entire specular as we expect from the DSLRs. And even in the DSLR, we need to use the polarized filters to remove these things. But in that case, if suppose we have shot something in mobile, we wanted to make it in good condition for our texture, then we can remove in 3-4 softwares. Okay, in that few I will cover. Maybe this will help you for your portfolio or anything else. Okay, we shall go to Photoshop first. This is the image, I have shot it. Okay, I'll take a backup. We will compare it before and after. So you may think like directly you can use it something else like the old school method, high pass, and we can remove. Okay, that won't work much, but still I'll show you there is a possibility you can bring it back this little bit of colors. So this much you can reduce and you can bring this color over this, but I didn't get the proper things as expected, but still we have that data. That method I'm not going to do. You can try it out at home. Okay, the best method is little quicker because I don't want to prolong more. We can go to adjust. We have shadows and highlights. See, suddenly we got something. Yeah, first you adjust the shadows. Let me zoom out. Yeah. Okay, you just remove the shadows first and the highlights as much as possible, but you will feel like it's a silver, but manually you have to tweak it. Those things I'm not going to cover. You can patch it out later, these nearby colors, or you can use some mask to remove these small speculators. But Photoshop does 100% correct and we are achieving the colors. The tones you can remove or keep it however you want, but the balancing is fine. The adjustments, see, it's best job. So same thing, whatever we tried in the hyper, same thing is utilized inside this, and it's doing best job in 1 minute. See, we already got. The one thing we can notice is too saturated, then you can use the even saturation or anything. I mostly use this one. This is the best way to control little faster. Okay, that's it. Later you can slowly enhance this one and bring it back. This is one method. Then second method, I wanted to show you in I think 1 minute I'll show you. In Lightroom also you can remove these things and there is no problem, but you have a lot of control over there. I will open and I'll show you, but not for the leaf. Yeah, you can believe me that whatever I say, this is based on my experiment. I'm just telling you. It's not like simply for the sake of tutorials we are doing. No, the purpose always, my tutorial is based on the reality, not for something which is not possible. It's possible. So the best thing, you do one thing, put it auto, so it does proper thing. Then slowly you can come to your little bit, slightly you can adjust. If you want, you can touch here, but I never touch this one because we lose everything. Because see, the other photos, if you see, we don't have that much of saturations, so we need to balance. That's why you pick one which is little dull, and so this auto white is doing best job. Then after that, this is the one, then you can control, select everything, then do one thing, right click, I think developer, auto white balanced. It does good. Yeah, it's almost done. We have done, and you can enable this on sync. Okay, yeah, but now my PC will go very slow. That's why I don't sync, because we have a lot of photos. And one more thing, here go to raw and enable the details, and you have an option denoise. You can enable it if you want, but if you are shooting in DSLR, it will enhance too much, so better don't do that one. Oh, already synced. Okay, no problem. Then the details, right? The details you can control how much you want. Okay, I'll leave it a little bit. I think better. Yeah, lens correction I forgot. You can enable, and whatever the camera you are using, no, that thing is there. So this is not my main motto to show you. Yes, this is the possible. It's already done. 80% of work is done. The rest you need to tweak slowly, bit by bit, and you apply for the everything. This is the best platform where you can apply same setting for all the images. So those things you can get it done. So let's go to the main one. I am not a developer. I'm not a scripting knowledge guy or anything. I'm zero knowledge in scripting, but I have the idea. Use your online resources to get that idea into work. That's what I'm going to show. So this was my dream for like almost 8-9 years. I was thinking about creating some tools. Many people said it's impossible, or if they able to create, then they charge too much. Then I spend almost 1.5 months to figure out how to get it done, but still it is an R&D. For now it's doing my best job. Those things not for sale now. Later, once all my tools are approved by myself, like while doing, I will use it on my own work. If I get any feedback, I'll fix it later. If I am about to publish for the all users, then it should be perfect, right? That's why I'm creating all the SRS nexus. So you have to wait. Okay, we'll go to Nuke now. Okay, now we are in Nuke, and I'll change my workspace to something grading. Forget about the scriptings. I was working on the script. Okay, this is the original image. I have two. This is the examples. So this is Unpolarized. The polarized in the sense I have used the polarized sensor to avoid the light. This is for our demonstration. Directly I have shot it in without lens. Because we can't carry every time the lens also for the mobile. That time what we can do. That's what my ambition to do this. So yeah, let's go here. These are my plugins. I will show you in the end of the tutorial why I created these many things. For now, the main thing is these two. I'll explain you why these two. Both are looks similar, but I have tweaked small things for the major purposes different, the main purpose different, because we don't want to use that same tool over and over. So that will kill your memories. To avoid that, I created two, but not necessary. It's for my convenience. So once we open, we have two inputs. It will be connected both together, because say this one is the main. It wanted a read node, whatever it is. This is required some blur node, which means it's already there inside the script. So it needs one more connection. So it takes that blur node from the same input. Now if you look at, nothing goes by default. I did first automation. The thing automation is making me lazy, and I've over a period of time I'll forget all the options to tweak it manually. It's like working with the manual is little pleasure. Automation is little faster, but it's not necessary every time automation. Once your hand is completely practiced, then we go for the automations. Now the first thing you can notice, I'll remove the specular a little bit, then the exposure little bit, then I don't want any maximum value. This will remove entirely all things flat. So you can notice, but we are receiving everything the same as it is. But in new Photoshop, we lost many things and it started giving the over rich colors. So as I said, we cannot completely remove this, but we can balance it. That's why I have entire thing here to balance these things. Because of this blue, if you can say channel, go to, sorry, not here, go to here, see this, red channel, green channel, blue. So now in the blue only we have this highlight, so I'll kill this one little bit. I have already balanced. Now I go to blue, yeah, already fixed. So you may think why it looks yellow. Actually in Polarized also it looks yellow, but later you can adjust all the parameters and you can get it done. Then I will offset little bit. We cannot avoid this entire thing, but we can patch it manually if we need after the projection. For now I'll give one small solution. No, not too much. Cool, this is fine. Yeah, even that is too much. We'll go for 5. Now the contrast, if you want contrast you can enhance, but again it will be like little bit headache. Have it little bit, and the contrast also you need to check it the proper channels. Oh shit. Go to green, red, blue. Yeah, blue is little bit awkward. Cool, I got it. I don't have option to enable and disable this particular. I planned like that to enable disable, but we have limitation in the script, BlinkScript. What I did, the thing is 1 minute. Okay, how I end with this one, that also will show you. We will remove this first. This is my script. This is my own script. Now before hitting anything, just so now it creates 2 inputs. That is the one, this one blur, then this is the source. Source, go to source, again the blur goes to blur. So the blur is by default 0, and then is 2. So now I exposed all the values. That's what here. Okay. That's what I brought it into the gizmo. Now we have everything. Even this is not needed. So everything compiled inside in the gizmo. So we don't have separate. The shadows. Shadows, if you notice, nothing will happen if I enhance, but it happens when I slide this one. So it will pick the nearby color and it will apply wherever the dark is there. You can see, but give it very subtle. We don't want to kick that. It's not important for us. Only important is the leaf. Now the highlight. You can, if you want more, you can kick it. I don't want more. Reduce it. Even the channels you can control, which is we are going to get back that entire color. Don't think this is desaturated. Okay. Actual, when you remove everything in the polarized, also you are getting the same result. I can see the. You can see RGB. I have the entire color. I can bring it back later, the overall. Now go to now the final stage. So everything's I'm happy from these two here. Very nice. You can see that color. Okay, we don't want to go that much. Little slightly, because we don't want to lose this everything as a green. Now blue is needed now, little bit. Yep. Cool. Yes, done. That's it pretty much. So from here to 1 and 2. Now we can compare 1 and 2 from where to where. So this is how we can get it. So this entire thing, if you want to get rid of, then you need to keep the leaf properly, almost flattened, but don't break any veins. Okay, then this leaf doesn't look good. I did the shot as it is. I didn't even do anything. But if I'm using the DSLR setup, then obviously I keep it flatter. Then I block all these lights Then we use the polarized filters for the camera, real camera. Even for the mobile also you have filters, but doesn't work that much of like a real camera. But okay, you will get 80% of the result from the mobile. This is mobile result, so almost same. It's less pixel, but in DSLR we have 22, 24, now even 32 also nice. Better that 32. We don't want to go that much expensive. If you want to do some R&D, go for 22 pixel cameras. That's more than enough for our purpose. You will get good quality as well. So that's it. Now you are going to write this to disk. You are happy to go. That's it. Thank you. And as I said, you wanted to know all my tools. I'll take this as a copy. Okay. Now this is the magic happens. So the second one, similar, but it gives mild output. This is different purpose. Again, the settings will be same. I kept it by accidentally default to this as a this one. I'll reset all. Control click. Oops, it won't happen. It's fine. Okay, this is the one. Now I'll remove everything. Same thing. Remove the highlight first. Then here we can retrieve the details. Max, see, this one is not going to blow that much. It's very soft. It's based on my purpose. I have created this. It's totally different from that one to this. Little contrast, and if you notice, no, it won't remove because that is the reason I brought one more. Now here you can see this will work perfect for this kind of polarized images. It will take time a little bit, but in 1 minute you will get the perfect results. So original, okay. I don't want to keep that much of depth. Okay, almost neutralized. Now kick out little bit. So I want little. So all the things. So this you can bring it. This is my tool work. Okay, see from here to here. But you can achieve from grade. The grade also does good job, but you are not going to get entirely whatever you want it. You will lose a lot of things, but you don't have control over other things. Even I tried offset. You don't want to go too much of offset, okay? That will kill you. Yeah, almost done from here to here. But I don't feel better. See? Yeah, you can have more nodes, blur, node, multiply, merge, and do some mathematics. Again, we will fail because this I am not a tech guy, as I said, but yeah, some maths are there. That maths will do the job for us. Okay. Now this is the one. Now I don't want this. Now these two tools are done. Now you can see one more time. I'll do it. 1 and 2. I have the detail. I never lost. See? So this is one thing. So this is polarized one. Even you can see the matte color. I'm not losing anything much. So that's how it's written. In Photoshop, no, I feel good, but for faster work, okay. For smaller, okay. But here also, so you cannot use that one. That's done. So now we'll get rid of these things. Now we'll go to the high pass. What is high pass? It's like Photoshop. We don't have option in this tool. I impressed by someone already done in the online, but some limitations were there. I didn't want to go exactly the same thing. Thanks, buddy, for that kind of examples. I forgot his name. I just have to put it in the display. Okay, now we will do something here. We'll take better this one. And not big major. Don't think like why I'm switching. For your visibility, I'm changing. So all the maths, nothing else. I forgot to make it a gizmo. It's okay. Cool. We are getting displacement map from here. How much you want to blur? This is going to be like a z-disp. If you want a z-disp, leave it this much. If you are going bump level, fine, this is fine. Then later you can add one more blur. Then you can kill it, a lot of details. This is fine. Now add on this one. Now you can offset 0.5. Done. You can utilize it. So this is one tool. What is that? It's IPAS. Now let's go to normal map. Go to normal map. Straight away. We have option in Mari. We don't have option in Photoshop, but earlier it was there. Now they removed. I don't know. But if you install XNormal small software, it's a powerful tool. Consider it's a small. Even today, it can compete with any software for the baking and bringing this kind of all the maps. Okay, so this is what I have full control here. How much I want, I can do. Wait, what happened? It's operating. Multiply. Yeah, it is working. It's a GB consumption. That's why I want to convert this one to also BlinkScript. So anything. Yes, done. From here to here, I have everything. Even you can reverse this one, the channels. Now I didn't add it. If I need later, I can add it the channels for the reversed or anything. No problem. Next one is last one, the range mask. Yeah, range mask not needed. We can make it our own using grade, but I am little faster in something. That time this kind of tools helps. Then add the saturation, kill it onto 0, and yeah, now the magic. I'll tell you two methods first. See, straight away we are getting this highlights wherever. Yeah, you can use that grade node, use this mask as your reference to kill these things, and you can retrieve that particular colors. Okay, so if I want small ranges, this will soften little bit, very light. Okay, you don't think that it's not doing any job. See, it's all ratio. It's not, it won't jump suddenly. That's why it's very slow. No problem. This shrinks. It's also ratio. It's all based on some purpose. I have created this tool. So now I have everything. Now I can run same thing with the IPAS. I'll use IPAS. So already done the job. Switch to IPAS. So it will do the black and white. Now I can kill more. Yeah, now I'll get all the details. I don't want any of these things, only the speckles. So wherever you feel that leaf is having wet, use this map and mask as a, you can use as a roughness map. Better using the coat. You are done. That's it. If you want something refined, I can add after this, kill the details more and more. Yeah. Now again grade, kill this one. Sorry. You can refine and get it these things. So now you have the maps ready. So these are the main things. What are the things I have? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and this is one headache always. It spoils this one connection. It's not error. When you connect the map, it will go. Because of this tool, it's happening. I'll fix soon this one. Then normalize. This also need to check why, I don't know, a huge headache for this one to create always. It's okay. So now I have all these scripts for my projects. That's how I was able to do these things. So nothing else. It's all BlinkScript. What it does is, in the Foundry you can see this one. They have demonstrated properly how to create your own tools. So the source code here only. If you take directly first without anything, by default they blocked with some codes. So when you are replacing with our script, then it will go away. These all blink it only. See, now we have everything. That's it. I hope this is helpful. Maybe if you want to remove the speculators or shadows, you create your own tool better, or else use the Photoshop. By default you have the 1 minute work, or else you need to spend some days or months to create this kind of tools, because it was pretty headache to get it done through the online resources. It's not easy, but it's possible because I have done this much. This is only for Nuke. Earlier I tried other some kind of menu here with very big list for converting specular, roughness or glassiness, even this displacement, everything in here itself in one click, but that took a lot of time. Meanwhile I am working on some other personal projects, right? So I don't have time to fix those things. So that's it for now. Thanks. We will connect in next tutorial. Bye.